Oh. Okay, one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
The banana is really like banana. Banana. It's banana-y.
It's hitting banana-ish.
Josh, you spit it out if you don't like it.
Alright guys, we're going to be opening up this snack box and see what's inside. Is that showing what each snack is?
Ice cream burger. Hold this.
Okay, we're going to be going by what each. And now you're going to have to read off this stuff because I ain't have my glasses. What is this? No, you got to read what it is right here. Okay guys, this is what we're gonna be trying. It's called Turkey Munchies. All right. And inside there's a bunch of different snacks inside. This is what we're gonna be trying. Show them the wrapper.
This was the wrapper that we tried. It was a watermelon candy.
It's called Mini Minis.
We tried it. Now we're gonna rate it. So Joshua, how much?
Now guys, we want to let y'all know that candy tasted very similar to watermelon knolliers.
It tasted to me like I'm the only one that tasted like it made me taste like watermelon gum. My favorite. Yeah.
Because it was chewy.
Oh yeah.
So
okay, so how much you rated
that
it,
is
Joshua?
dangerous.
2.
You rated it 2?
Yeah.
No, 1 out of 10. How much you rated? A 10? Okay. You?
10 out of 7.8. I mean 7.5.
Okay, so not bad.
It was good. I would say a 10.
Okay, yeah, I'll say an 8. So it was like really. I don't know.
I got the lowest.
I liked it.
I got the lowest rate.
Okay, the next treat we're going to be trying is called potty cakes.
Potty cake.
No. Pee.
How does it look like?
Well, I mean, I didn't mean to say that. What the is this? Oh, this is. Ma, this is too.
Show the family what we're going to be trying.
Ma, how are you supposed to separate that? That's too.
Oh, we gotta get all of them? Or that just shows like, yeah, okay, that's it. Okay.
Wait, what do you mean?
This is potty cakes. This is what we're trying. I'm assuming it's a cake. Okay. Yeah. It's carrot flavor.
No, it's not.
It's either a carrot, coconut, fruit, or chocolate flavored.
Nah, this is one of them. Oh, okay.
It's carrot flavor. I'm not really into carrot flavor, but I'll try. I switch phones a lot.
What is that flavor?
Don't worry about it. Just try it. Because they're piggy. They're very piggy. You can
Do it taste like cake?
Yeah.
Is it like cake?
Yeah. You can get a little.
No.
Look at the face you making.
Nah, I got two.
Yeah,
two
move out the
little.
way so you can see his face.
I got it. Nah.
Okay.
Nah, I got a 2 little one.
What flavor is this? This is carrot?
I can't give you one.
Yeah.
I got a 2 little one. It broke off. Okay, let's all taste
Actually,
it.
it's good. It's good.
I don't like carrot flavor.
I like carrot. And I'm pretty much the picky one, guys. I just want y'all to know. This one over here, she loves trying foreign foods and different things. Me, I'm like, ooh, I don't know about that. But this is pretty good.
I don't like carrot. I think if I did, it would be really good. I don't like carrot.
That's pretty good.
I give it a rating.
I give it a
What's that?
if I had had some tea or something, I think it would be hitting a good 8. What you give it?
Solid 8, like the same guys do.
An 8? Joshy, what number you give it from 1 to 10?
Super. A 10.
You give it a 10?
You give everything a 10.
I'll give it. It's right here, so they can see the thing. I'll give it like a 7, 6.5.
Nana got the lowest.
Okay, the next snack we're gonna be trying is 9 Cat Tat.
Cat tat.
It's a wafer filled with,
Crunchy and yummy.
what does that say?
Banana
With
paste.
banana paste. Ooh, okay.
What is banana paste? Like
Paste.
9 Cat Tats. It's banana. Ugh, I don't like banana snacks.
I can't.
This is it.
Banana?
So we're gonna.
Like
But I do like wafers though, but only strawberry wafers. Anything else? I like vanilla too, but anything else?
I only like banana.
Smells good.
Okay,
one for you.
Do not produce
Oh,
children under.
We're gonna wait. We're gonna eat at the same time.
Look, nobody's here
You.
on the floor.
You. We're gonna try at the same time. Okay. Ready? This is it. Oh. Okay, 1.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
The banana is really like banana. It's banana.
It's hitting banana-ish.
Joshy, spit it out if you don't like it.
And he loved bananas, y'all. So he ain't
You don't
feeling
like
this.
it? Go get tissue. Okay. I don't know.
It's not something I would get,
Me neither.
but if I had to rate it, I'll give it a 6.
5 or 6.
3.5 or 3.
Oh my goodness.
3.5 is that?
What about you, Joshy?
What number you give it?
1 to 10.
I got 3.
You give it a 3 too? Because you don't like it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So moving on to the next. We clearly don't like that
Okay,
one.
the next snack we're going to be trying is called Crispy.
Crispy, juicy, tender.
It's hot, cheesy, herby ketchup, and mayo flavored.
No.
Oh.
I'm not tasting that one. Ketchup? I don't like ketchup. No, that's not it.
No, it's called Crispy.
Oh, I don't
Oh.
want that. No, I don't want that. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that.
Well,
We have to try it. I don't want stepping out of it. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that.
we're gonna try it. Sit down.
I don't want that. No. Wait, what is
I
this
don't
from
want
again?
that.
No.
Is this from Mexico?
No.
Hayden, everything is from
No.
Turkey.
No. No. No.
Come on, everybody got to try it.
I gave you a short. Here. Come on, just a little bite. Okay.
Okay, everybody get one. And on the count of 3, everybody bite. 1, 2, 3.
It tastes like garlic. It tastes like garlic. It's little.
Again, something I wouldn't buy on a regular, but it's not bad.
Good.
I'm not going to be snacking on these tonight. Late night snack for her.
Good. Yeah. It's good.
You like it?
Yeah. It's good. It's good.
It is herby. It says it's herby. I don't see. Is it hot? Because it says it's hot.
It's not hot.
It says hot cheesy.
It's just like.
I don't like those things mixed up. I feel like I don't know. Look.
Okay. If I had to rate it, I'll give it a 5.
I'll give it a Like the first taste is good, but then aftertaste is just so like a 6.
What you give it?
A 0.
What you give it, Jesse?
100.
You think?
You don't give it no 100. You don't even like it. A 1 mean you don't like
yeah,
it.
I
10
do.
means you like it a
But
lot.
I can
You
drink
give it a 1?
And I
Okay,
can
show the
drink it.
family. Give it a 1. Okay.
Okay. Next one.
All right. Next snack is called pizza.
Oh, pizza! This one right here. It looks like pretzels.
Oh, it's just pizza. It tastes like pizza.
Did you know that pizza was introduced to the Turkish market in the early 1990s? And it was a failure. Turkish people did not like it, and almost all pizza restaurants was closed within a few years. Can you believe it? And here in America, we love pizza.
Yes! And Italy too.
Well, that's where it originated from. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Gimme!
It do taste like pizza.
So clearly, 2 of the snacks I ate, it tastes like garlic. And mixed with those things. I don't like it. I don't like garlic.
I give it 3. I don't know.
I give it a 6. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
I got 2.
I'm surprised. Like I said, and I usually like all of the strange things, and she's like giving everything a low.
Sweet or something.
She's giving everything a low rating. All right, the next snack we're gonna be trying is the Osmo burger.
Wait, you didn't see my rating. You didn't see my rating.
Oh yeah, we didn't get to that.
You said you don't like it.
I did.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is
you
like
show
a
the
little
picture?
burger with chocolate like creaming inside. So
It's a biscuit filled with chocolate cream.
Chocolate cream.
I'm not a chocolate fan.
Me
So I don't know
too.
about this one.
Me too. Ew.
All right, guys. 1, 2, 3.
It all tastes like garlic.
You need to brush your teeth. This was good.
yeah.
This is good. And it's sweet. You was looking for something sweet.
Me. Yeah, this is what's inside of it. That's cool.
Oh my god.
That's cheese. That looks like cheese and chocolate.
Okay. That one was definitely better.
Cheese and chocolate.
Okay, if I had to rate it, I'll give it a strong 6. Again, because I'm not a chocolate fan. So,
6 for me too.
but it wasn't nasty at
It's
all.
like, I feel a hint of like banana. Probably from the last one or something. But
All right.
3.3.
What you give it?
3.3. 0.
Okay. The next treat we're going to be trying is called Harvey's.
Herbie. We
It's
got
Harvey.
it.
H-A-R-B-Y. Harvey's.
Oh, it's
And
like
this
chocolate?
is
Like chocolate?
one of the oldest outstanding snacks in the market. Harvey is a light chocolate for a casual snacking.
You can dip into a cup of tea.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy would love that.
Okay. This is like a tea snack, y'all.
I'm on a tea fan.
Ooh, it's soft.
Did you show the people? Did you show the family?
What the? That look like Kit Kat, but all brand.
Is that caramel? What is that?
What? That look like
Did you
cheese.
show the wrapper?
That look like cheese in the middle of
Share
it.
with, oh, so I show the wrapper over here.
Why do it look like cheese? That look like.
It's probably caramel or something. I don't know. Don't say caramel.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I like it.
Actually, it's good. I gotta try it. Can I try it?
The bread looks this. The bread tastes like.
It tastes like
The bread tastes like.
I'm surprised you don't like it. It almost tastes like a Kit Kat.
Oh.
You want to try it again? Bite it. It tastes like a Kit Kat.
Joshie
I
likes
do.
it. Joshie likes it.
What you give it, Joshie?
I
10?
5.
A 5? You like it in the middle? Oh, okay.
Good.
So give it more than a 5 if you like it.
He ate the whole thing.
You say you like a 10. He gives it a 10, guys, because he's chomping on it.
That's like a cookie.
And I, what you give it?
Mostly a Hershey. I give it an 8.
An 8? What you give it?
I give it a 9.5.
Wow.
Okay.
And he loves Kit Kats. So
Me too.
What's that one? It has like a little bit of cracker inside and caramel and chocolate.
Twix.
That's a Twix. That's what it tastes like.
Yeah, it does taste like a Twix too.
Yeah.
Good.
All right, guys. The next
I believe
one
that's
is
the highest
called the Keith One Turk. And forgive me if I'm chopping up these titles of these names.
Oh, this one?
We're Americans and we're trying our best to pronounce.
This one is the golden one, so we might do this one last because we gotta heat up some water for this.
Oh, that's like a
Mhm.
that goes into hot water, guys. So we're gonna try the next one.
Yeah.
It's the Nuts Party.
Oh,
Nuts
this one right
Party.
Nuts.
There's peppers around the peanuts.
Show the guys.
Pepper.
It's a Nuts Party, guys.
Pepper. I like pepper.
It's popcorn kernels,
Popcorn.
ball-shaped chips, and it's covered with herb mix with cheddar, onion flavored,
Onion.
and burning hot.
Burning.
What? Oh, I ain't gonna be able to take that one. It's just spicy.
I don't like that.
It also has honey and mustard, your favorite.
I don't
Why you
like
making that face? That's your favorite.
I don't like mustard.
It's bad.
And it's flavored with a new mix for many Turkish snack lovers. Nuts comes with a basic snacking kit in small sizes to have it
Oh, look at that.
on the go.
Looks like a little popcorn. Like a little. Okay. Oh, it smells like peanuts. Okay. Take some.
Oh, it smells like caramel popcorn.
Okay.
I don't like caramel popcorn. I'm not tasting
Come on,
that.
sit down, Joshie.
Do I like it? Do I really
All
have
right,
to?
one. You ain't even wait.
Do I really have
1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
Okay. We know you like it.
Oh, I have some peanuts inside.
I ain't taste mine. They have no peanuts inside.
Right here. That's why I smell peanuts. Look.
Oh.
That's like a popcorn kernel.
That's what it is. It's not peanuts. It don't say it has
Oh.
peanuts. It says popcorn kernel, like a kernel.
Bad.
All right.
Give it a 10.
She gives it a 10, guys. Katie.
I don't like caramel popcorn and I hate the smell of it and I hate the taste of it. So I'm gonna give it a 0.
Oh my gosh. I mean, it's not a bad snack. It tastes
And what about me?
it's a flavorful snack. It's a little is it getting spicy to you? Because you've ate enough. Is this a little spicy?
Yeah.
It's a little spicy. I mean, with me, I can't do spice, so.
I ate the wrong thing.
But as far as the flavor, it is on the tasty side.
Tastes a little popcorn thingy.
It's not popcorn, it's a kernel.
What is it?
It tastes like a flavored popcorn. That's what it tastes like.
So next is cod.
All right, guys. The last but not least, we have the Gadget Helfer.
No, that's not gadget. It's
Gadget Helfa. That's Kagithelva. And this is, what does that say?
What? Powder.
Now that spice with my throat.
Wait, powder halva is maybe the most fundamental piece of snack in Turkey. It was invented in the 400.
This
Over 600 years
I've been
ago
looking forward
in
to
Turkey.
this.
It was made 600 years ago in Turkey.
I thought this was the last one. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. We had 3 more to go. I'm thinking we on our last one. Hello, you opening the wrong thing. I said the Kagithelva.
Oh.
Oh. Wait a minute. You sure that's it?
Yeah, that is.
Oh.
Probably is that the secret snack?
Okay.
I thought.
Don't eat it yet?
Yeah, that is.
Oh, that is it. Okay. This is like it says an ice cream burger.
I could. Sorry.
Ooh, spicy a little bit.
Look, Ma, I took it apart and look at all the stickiness. It looks like
They call this an ice cream burger, guys.
Is it vanilla inside of it? Is the
It
ice
looks like it.
Ooh!
Okay. 1,
2.
2, 3. It reminds me of kind of like a vanilla wafer. With it's something in it that I can't pinpoint. It's like a what is it? Like a not a caramel. What is it that I'm tasting? I don't know. I really don't like it. I'm gonna give this one a 2.
I give this one a 5. A 4.
What you give it, Kaden? We know you give it. You don't like it. Sit down.
I thought I would like it, but it got sweet at first, and then it got so sweet, so I give it like a 0.0000.00.
Oh my gosh.
It got so sweet, like for me. And what about me?
Okay, what do you give it?
Too sweet?
Yeah. That made me almost get a heart attack. I was like this.
Do you like it, Ashi?
You're a sugar
Come over here.
headed. You're a sugar headed.
Come on, because we gotta move on to the next one.
0.
Okay, he gives it a 0. All right, the next snack we're gonna be having is called XC Yucks.
Oh, where is it?
This. These.
No. Yeah, it is.
You know, like, they look like little sour thingies. Kind of like reminds me of those sour thingy heads, sour heads.
If we have trouble,
He said if we translate its name, we would have spoiled the surprise. Let's go ahead
to try one.
and try one. P.S. A surprise twist you for your first 10 seconds. What?
You start chewing it. No, why
As
you start
soon as you started chewing it.
This is, I don't think this is 2. That's the only thing.
There's only 1 in 1 pack?
No, 2.
It's sour.
It's super sour. It's super.
Oh my god.
I'm a sugar headed. I like sour, but not. But I'm like super sweet sour. Thing.
Okay. There's only 2 of them, guys, so they're gonna try it.
1, 2,
Sit down.
3.
You gotta put the whole thing in your mouth. That's the surprise, guys. That's what it said. That's what it said. It said the first 10 seconds.
Oh, let's see who wins. Ready? Go.
Come on, sit down. You can't keep still.
Okay, it's not that sour.
What about when you chew it?
It's very chewy and sweet.
It turns sweet when you chew it. Because it says it's a surprise when you chew it.
Is it gum?
It don't say it's gum.
And I win.
I think it's gum.
And I
What it
win.
tastes like? What the gum tastes like?
Can you win?
Blueberry kind of?
I don't want to taste.
It don't say it's gum, but
That's a sour. That's more sour than
It's
sour.
gum. It's gum.
oh, it's gum. Okay.
Well, I like the gum. That is more sour than the gum. The sour is.
All right. What do you rate it?
A 10.
A 10.
10 out of 10.
Okay. Ding, ding, ding.
I like sour candy.
Me too.
All right.
Got 2 more.
2 more left,
Sit
guys.
down. Sit down.
The next snack we're going to be trying is Today Wafer. It's a minimalist approach to our in the welcome box, so we could not miss the wafer. We sent through all Turkish wafers to find the one that would be different from the rest of them. It has rich vanilla chocolate and hazelnut cream.
Hazelnut cream.
Mm-hmm.
I can't taste it, but I got something in my mouth. I can't taste it. I got something in my mouth.
Alrighty. You're gonna try it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. That's not bad. Oh, it's super sweet.
Wow, this is sweet.
It's super sweet. But the taste is not bad.
Yeah, it tastes not bad. It's really sweet.
It's not bad at all. I'll give this I'll give it a 7.5.
6.
What you give it, Joshy?
Hello.
Everything was 0 for you.
I didn't taste it.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. This is truly last but not least. This is called the mystery snack. Show the guys the mystery snack.
By stick cheese corn chips.
Okay.
What is that?
They said they sometimes include a mystery snack that is not on. It's not listed. It don't say what it is. It's not gonna list what it is. It is truly a mystery snack for real, for real.
Oh my goodness. I'm so
Oh, wow.
No.
Wow.
It says try your chances.
No, it's cookies.
No. You did one?
No.
All right.
It's the same thing as the sticks.
I believe it's garlic.
It looks cheesy.
It's garlic inside of it, of course it does. I'm not taking my chances. It's gonna say taste.
Try it. Okay, on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I like it. It's good, right?
It's the same thing as garlic. I told you.
Why everything tastes like garlic to you? It's good.
Well,
Now I would buy those. I would buy these. These are actually good. It's a cheese corn chip.
kind of tastes like Cheetos. I don't like Cheetos. I mean,
Yep.
I do like Cheetos. A 8. It is like 9.5. That's good.
Okay.
0.
Well, that concludes our Turkish munchies.
All of it.
Very interesting.
Dog.
If you guys would like to try the Turkish munchies, we ordered this off of Amazon. I think it was $20 something, like 21, 20. That's like, it was around $21, $20.
You should get the Japan snacks. Mama,
yeah, we're gonna try something else. If y'all like this kind of video, we'll do a snack from Japan or Asia. You know what I'm saying?
It's Japan.
Bruh.
If you like these kind of videos or this content, we'll do another one, and maybe the next one we'll do from Japan.
Okay.
Alrighty. So guys, thank you for tuning in.
Woo!
And like I said before, if you like this content, you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It helps in the algorithm. If you like this kind of content, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us in the algorithm, guys, so they can share our video with other people and other viewers who will be interested in content just like this one. Okay. But until next time, we'll see you on the next video.